Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin tong lab na blind OS command injection with output redirection. No? So, basahin natin. This lab contains a blind OS command injection vulnerability in the feedback function. The application executes a shell command containing the user supply details. The output from the command is not returned in the response, so kaya nga siya blind. However, you can use the output redirection to capture the output from the command. There's a writable folder at var.dub images. No? So, sinabi na sa atin kung ano yung writable na folder. So, the application serves the images for the product catalog from this location. You can redirect the output from the injected command to a file in this folder. And then use the image loading URL to retrieve the contents of the file. To solve the lab, execute whoami and retrieve the output. So, sige. Load natin yung lab and punta tayo sa submit feedback function. No? So, from our previous videos, alam na natin na yung vulnerable parameter dito ay yung email. So, pero i-confirm pa din natin. No? So, lagyan natin yung name ng JLearn, jlearn@jlearn.com, subject JLearn, and message JLearn, and submit feedback. Then, hanapin natin sa burp yung request and investigate natin. No? So, send natin to repeater. So, again, alam natin na yung vulnerable dito ay email. So, try na natin agad, whoami. And sinabi na sa atin kaagad na could not save. So, alam na natin na more or less ito na yung function na vulnerable. Tama? So, maybe we can do whoami. And then, output natin yung output ng command sa var dub images daw. No? And then, lagyan natin ng name, let's say, jlearn ph.txt. And let's execute the command, no? And as we expect, could not save, wala naman tayong expected na output. And then sabi sa atin nung instruction sa lab, yung image loading functionality daw, maybe this one. Maybe we can use this one. So let's right click and check the image. So yung image, may file name na parameter, no? Na 20.jpg. So maybe if we can try to say var images JLearn ph.txt, may mababasa tayo na output, no? So, let's see. And sabi sa atin, no such file. So, ibig sabihin, hindi gumana tong command injection natin. Maybe we need to close yung ating output. So, let's say, another semicolon. And let's resend. So, as expected, could not save. Pero, check natin dito ulit. Refresh the page. And we still get no such file, no? So, bakit kaya? Baka hindi kailangan ng full path, baka pwedeng jlearn ph.txt lang. And there you go, no? Na-retrieve na natin yung current running user. And we have solved the lab. So, again, itong lab na to, in-output lang natin yung output ng whoami na command into var images jlearn ph.txt. And linode natin yung laman ng jlearn ph.txt using the file name parameter here sa isa sa mga images. Okay? I hope na-gets nyo tong video na to and see you in the next video.